The reason I chose to work at Airbus is because I wanted to work somewhere that I could actually make a difference, not just so I could earn my paycheck, but somewhere where I can go, do my day and feel good about myself.
It's a company which is recognized internationally. It's a company with attractive career development prospects for women.
I joined Airbus because of a great location in Munich, because of great and skilled colleagues, and a company which had the big growth in the next few years.
Being distributed over many sites is actually a strength because you gain multiple views on single problems.
I find it really rewarding to talk to colleagues, not just from other areas in the UK, but places like Germany, France, and even Spain.
It's also a system integrator mixing a European industrial company that is doing cybersecurity at very high level. It's quite unique in the world.